Guys, say hi to Nana, boys.
Yo.
Hi to Nana.
What's up? Hi. Hi. Is he on her?
We're gonna send it to her.
Hi, I'm Joe. Here, where you go, buddy? Bye. Hi, Nana. Hi, Nana.
Nice.
I miss you.
Oh.
I miss you too. I'll come back in a couple weeks like 2 weeks, I think.
All right, go ahead and tell me what's gonna happen.
He's gonna use magic to get a pencil out of my
Who is?
nail.
Who is?
Uncle Nick.
Okay, go ahead.
Can we see
Do you
it?
say any magic words in it?
Can we see it on either side?
I don't see it. I don't see it.
I kind of see a little space back in there. I can actually see through to the other side.
See
I'm
the
a little
other
worried.
side.
I think that's Steven's side. Oh, yeah.
All right. Sorry, it fell over.
I think it's starting to
All
come
right.
a little bit.
What's he doing? Magic. What is that coming out of your ear? Oh my gosh.
Oh, there you go. Congratulations.
All right, complete with grunts and everything.
Yeah.
Watch the movie now.
Yeah. Say goodbye.
Bye.
What are you gonna do first?
I am going to turn this beautiful young lady into a taco sandwich.
And which young lady?
This beautiful young lady.
All right, she's coloring. I think she's got other things to do.
Hey, Katie, I'm going to turn you into taco. See? She knows that taco's important. Okay, now, she's going to lay down. And she's taco. She's taco sandwich. I'm going to eat her. Ah.
Where your bug bites are, Steven?
You can't see? You want to see all of them? No. You got a credit card?
You got them on your leg?
Got a buck?
Why did you say that? Why did you say you got a credit card?
I'm being silly.
Inside
Because
out.
if you want to see all these bites I have, you're going to have to
He's got them in private places.
Oh, that's dumb.
right here. On my hip.
You have one in the hand.
Yeah.
And on his private part.
Yes, you do.
Yeah, that's just a joke.
And there's one on you.
You okay? All right, here we go. Hang on, guys.
Katie, put that thing on your lip again.